In this video, I will show you how you can take a selfie on your iPhone. It doesn't matter which iPhone you have, and perhaps this video may be a bit more basic, but I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do it. First of all, what you have to do is to locate the camera on your iPhone. So you have it on the home screen somewhere, most likely. For me, it is right here. This is the camera app. However, if you don't have it, just make sure to swipe all the way to the right until you get to the list of all the apps. If you cannot find it still somewhere around in here, for example, here's the camera for me, but if you cannot still find it, just click on the search at the top like this, and this will get you over to a list of all of your iPhone apps, which are sorted alphabetically. So once you get to the C, here is going to be the camera. So yeah, at first you have to locate the camera, but once you have it, there are more options how you can access the selfie mode. For example, one option which I like is to simply hold down on the app icon like this, and more options show up. The first one is literally the selfie. So when I click on that, I can snap a selfie of myself. So that's really the first option. That's how you can do it. So either that and swipe to the selfie, or you can open up the app like that and you will get to the camera view already. So once you are in the camera view, you have to just switch the camera. So at the bottom, you can see here is like the rotate icon, and when you click on that, it switches from the rear facing to the front facing camera like this. And now I can just simply snap a selfie of myself as I like to. So that's something which you can do easily. Besides that, if you could notice that when I held down on the camera icon, it also gave me more options besides just selfie. So it was video, portrait, and portrait selfie. So I can even get to a different selfie. So for example, this one looks a little bit cooler because it has different effects. So you can also just play around with these options as well. This is the possibility which you have to take a selfie. So it's not really limited to just the basic camera. If you don't want to go there through the widget, you can see that at the bottom we have the photos, which is the default section, and also we have the portrait, which you can switch to. And now here are all of the effects. So yeah, this is exactly how you can take a selfie. And once you, of course, have everything pointed towards you, obviously just click on the shutter button so you can save it and snap the picture like that. These pictures are of course going to show up inside of the Photos app as usual, and you will be able to find them there, share them with others, or even edit them in case you want to. So this is the basic guide on how you can take a selfie on your iPhone. Besides that, there are other third-party apps as well, which you can play around with, but what I want you to play around with is the Foxtech educational platform, which you can join for free, and I created for you. And inside, you can find some in-depth iPhone guides and in-depth apps explained. For example, full guide for the App Store, voice memos for the clock, and more apps are going to be coming in the future. I'm going to cover the camera really soon, so make sure to join it and we can see each other inside. For now, subscribe to Foxtech and we can catch each other in the next tutorial.